drink soda. Alright, you go first. No, I'm not doing it, ready? I couldn't down! Katie! Your turn! It was Coca-Cola! Katie, your turn!
Wait, let me finish.
Oh, hey, have you ever shown this to anyone? I'm gonna kill you.
Okay.
Ready? Oh my god!
You didn't even get up the straw.
Yeah, I did. You got the mirror and I was like, dude, get it. Fine, I'll do it again.
What?
Nosebleed. I told you I had a nosebleed.
Because somebody just left.
No.
Someone just left. Is it Carter?
Lindsay, her nose is bleeding.
I got cup out of straw. Really? Yeah.
You what?
Cup out of straw.
That's random.
Okay, Missy's done eating. Alright.
Put her foot up. Good.
Dude, look at this. Is this Betsy's?
No.
No, just leave it up. He already got fed. Can I let them in?
Yeah.
Turn off the camera now, yeah.
Okay.
Where's Betsy? Call her.
Can I just video